29V 1.5A Fascia Gun Vacuum Cleaner Power Adapter 29V 1500MA DC Regulated Power Cord EU Plug US Plug. Product Parameters. Input voltage, AC 100-240V 50-60 Hz, worldwide. Input AC interface, EU plug US plug. Output voltage, DC, 29V. Output current, 1.5A. Output voltage accuracy plus or minus 0.5%, no load. Power supply polarity, inside positive outside negative, inside, plus, outside. DC cable length, 1 meter. DC interface, 5.5 2.1 mm 4.0 1.7 mm 3.5 1.35 mm. Color, black. Condition, brand new authentic. Wide input range and high voltage accuracy. Applicable, Fascia gun vac.